Krish here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to Trimbakeshwar, which is 35 kilometers away from Nashik, and right now we are in Satpur area. So that's it. Weather is very awesome. It's just perfect weather, you can say, and roads are also better. We are now here in the middle of highway, and still we are going to Trimbakeshwar, which is 25 kilometers more to go. Yeah guys, and today I am riding R15. It doesn't belong to me, it's my friend's R15, and I am riding his bike. He is riding my Duke 200, and I am having fun on this bike, but still Duke is quite better. Quite not, a lot better.
Fuck, it's raining, yeah. Oh no, shades. My camera is not waterproof. I am searching for the shade. This is my. So, I really need to park here. Okay. Okay.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter.
So I am back on my bike, that is Duke 200, and it feels very much relaxing on this bike. Though the roads are not good, but what can we do, guys? It's the real nature's beauty. Just watch the scenery. It's beautiful. It's just mind blowing. Awesome view, man.
It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
So here it begins the card section. Enjoy. are here at Harihar Fort, which is something like 40-45 kilometers away from this Trimbakeshwar. And so we have reached here. You can see water is not so deep, but still it's cool, isn't it? So that's it. And as I told you, I am with my friends. So now I'll show you the waterfall from. So you can see this is a very small waterfall, and this water continuously flows from there to.
Can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter.
चला मग आता घरी झालं.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
If you really like this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can comment down in the comment section box if you want to suggest me anything. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and that's it. See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe, be safe, and do whatever you want. Bye.